New legislative efforts could impact Plano's health insurance landscape, especially for small businesses and working families, as concerns grow over potential benefit reductions and lack of clear policy direction. Plano Group Health Insurance is entering a period of heightened uncertainty as new legislative efforts stir familiar concerns. A comprehensive policy package is being developed with multiple priorities in mind, yet healthcare remains an unavoidable component, despite public efforts to downplay its role. Past attempts to reform coverage programs created long-lasting apprehension among working families and employers, especially when proposals hinted at reduced benefits without offering clear alternatives. The recurring promise to introduce better plans never materialized into actionable policies, leaving behind doubts that continue to shape current expectations. More information can be found at https://insurance.dallas.com. Group Health Insurance Plano. Public discussions now suggest a strategic effort to shift the focus away from healthcare entirely, portraying upcoming legislation as an economic reform package instead. However, structural realities within budget planning make it difficult to separate healthcare from broader fiscal goals. Changes aimed at reallocating responsibility to state programs often coincide with reduced central support, creating indirect pressures on existing systems. Group health insurance. Plano providers are closely monitoring these developments, concerned that any reconfiguration could affect accessibility and service delivery across the region. For employees and families dependent on employer-backed plans, the absence of a well-defined policy path raises questions about long-term reliability and cost predictability. Plano Small Business Group health insurance options could face particular strain if current proposals move forward without accommodating the unique needs of smaller enterprises. Unlike large corporations, smaller entities typically lack the bargaining power and financial flexibility to absorb sudden shifts in regulatory or funding frameworks. Any disruption in plan structures or eligibility rules could lead to limited choices or increased out-of-pocket expenses for both employers and workers. As decision-makers advance broad legislative agendas, it remains critical to consider how these changes may ripple through everyday coverage solutions and impact the communities that rely on them most. Insurance for Dallas, I4D, helps insure all of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Arizona, Louisiana, New Mexico, Alabama, Virginia, and Florida. Insurance for Dallas provides consumers with detailed information on health insurance with the ability to purchase health insurance online. Insurance. Dallas provides a full spectrum of health, dental, vision, life, and ancillary insurance products, providing a diverse selection of price and benefit options complemented by personal customer service. Available via phone, email, or fax insurance. Dallas answers consumer questions throughout the purchasing process and during the utilization of its health insurance policies.